Hey guys, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to take any Word document and convert it to PDF. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is open up the Word document that you want to convert to a PDF, and you want to go to the top left where it says File, and then go down to Save As, and click Browse. And I'm just going to put this in the Downloads folder. Then you'll see under Save As Type, it says Word document because we're in a Word document. But if you click on that, we want to go down and select PDF. And all you want to do then is click Save. And there you go. It's converted that Word document to a PDF now. You should also be able to find this in your Downloads folder or wherever you saved it to. And there it is. Now, if you don't have Word installed on your computer, you're able to access Word on the Microsoft website, office.com. Now, you just have to sign in with any Microsoft account. If you don't have an account with Microsoft, you can simply create one. I can put a link in the description for you guys. Once you have an account, you can just go to office.com and sign in. And once you're signed in, you can create a Word document. So I'll just create one as an example. All right, once you have your document, it's pretty much the same thing, but a little bit different. You want to go to File, hover over Export, and then click Download as PDF. This will now convert it to a PDF document, and then it'll bring up a box where you can click on Download. And that's it. You can now open up your document and it's converted to PDF. So that's just a nice little workaround. If you don't have the Office apps installed on your computer, you can just create a free Microsoft account if you don't have one. Go to office.com and you'll be able to access all the Office 365 apps for free. I hope you found this useful. If you liked the video and you found it helpful, give it a thumbs up. It really supports the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.